Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. If today is your first time stopping by, hey girl, please do not make it your last. Subscribe to my channel, be part of my family, and most importantly, be part of my growth. Today's video, by the title, you already know, is a hairstyle video. So what we'll be doing for this hairstyle is to section a part of our hair so we can turn that into a bang once we are done. So once that is done, we are going to section it apart so it doesn't get in our way when we try to make our bun. So to make my bun, I am going to spray my hair with water just to make the styling a lot more easier for me. So I'm combing my hair just so the water can get through all the strands, just to make my bun a lot more easier when I try to make it. So as you know, on this channel we use thread. We are not used to rubber bands, so bear with us. But hey, if you're good at burning your hair with a rubber band, please do it. I'm not so good at it, so that's why I use thread to burn my hair. Next, I'm going to be applying my hair gel all through my hair, because what's a bun without a hair gel? Then I am going to be doing my edges with my Gorilla Glue, just like so. Next, I'm going to be picking my hair extension from Darling, and then I'm going to make a knot around it with another thread, and then I am going to tie that to my hair. So I'm going to pick a few strands of the hair extension just to give the bun a lot more security. Here I'll be wrapping the strands of the hair extension around my hair just to make the bun a lot more secure. So the trick here is to wrap the hair extension around your natural hair before we start to twist to make our twisty bun knot, or twisty high knot bun. So watch closely so you can understand what I actually did here. So the twist for this hair is supposed to start from top to base. Just watch so you can understand what I'm saying. That is done. So I applied hair gel off the camera. So next I'm going to be styling my bangs. So for the bangs, we need a rat tail comb to divide it into 2 equal halves, and then we are going to comb and also use our hair straightener to make the bangs look silky. So to straighten your hair, please apply a hair oil that doesn't have alcohol. Preferably apply shea butter, natural shea butter, before you straighten your hair. Because if you do not, if you apply any hair oil that has alcohol or mint, oh, you're just going to burn your scalp. You're going to burn your hair and you're also going to burn your scalp. I am saying this from experience. Please apply only shea butter. All right. And if you do not like the smell of shea butter, just straighten your hair like that. Don't apply anything other than shea butter, like I said. So you guys know when we get to this point, we're almost done with our hair. So let me get this done and then we are going to see the finished look. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys love. If you do, please share, comment down below. Until next time, bye.